Welcome to the Antunes Chef's Challenge. We're here in Carroll Stream, Illinois, about to get wild with 7 of the most extraordinary chefs from across the country. Here at Antunes, we have everything from toasters to grills to water filtration, all designed to handle your biggest challenges in your kitchen. Are you ready to turn challenge into success? Chefs, are we ready? Yeah! 1, 2, cook!
Hey, my name's Corbin Harrell. I'm from Salt Lake by way of Georgia. So today I made my take on a hot Italian beef sandwich. I braised the beef and then we re-thermed it in the rapid steamer. We also toasted the buns on the vertical toaster and we grilled the green peppers on the panini press. We also were able to do a homemade pickled giardiniera. Using something like the rapid steamer, it's a clean way to cook food, great for vegetables, great for protein, and it really maintains the structural integrity of the food as well as the nutritional value.
My name is Gabby Morales. I'm with Kain McArthur out of Kansas City. The recipe I made today was shrimp and grits. I did a cheesy grits in the jet steamer, and then I did the shrimp in the rapid steamer. My favorite thing about the jet steamer is just how quickly it can make product and it keeps the integrity of the product. For grits, which would typically take 10-15 minutes, it took about a minute and a half.
My name is Shawn Stoffer. I am with Chernoff Sales and we represent AJ Antunes in Florida. What I did today is a tropical croissant bread pudding. Got a banana sauce on top with toasted coconut. I'm doing that in the egg station. The reason why I did that is to show the versatility of the egg station. What's nice about this is I'm using the rings so they can make eggs in the morning and then have a dessert in the evening and utilize the machine for 2 meals.
My name is Chlebowski. I'm from Southern California. I'm with Fredco Reps. So my dish is fast food of the future. It's called Lightning Links, and it's using the integrated solutions platform that Antunes is working on. So I use a deluxe food warmer, and that regenerates and gets my wild boar hot. And then I use a hot dog corrals, and I hit more wild boar, and I steam it in the jet steamer. And within 30 seconds, I can make an entire meal for that guest who came to the counter.
I am Connor McQuay. I'm the Executive Chef and Regional Sales Manager at Food Service Solutions up in Canada. When I was trying to come up with the recipe, I really wanted to focus on one piece of equipment and really show the versatility. And I went with the egg station. I really love that piece of equipment. I just wanted to kind of think outside the box. And then I found my way to Okonomiyaki, which is a savory Japanese style pancake. My favorite thing about cooking on the egg station is quality and consistency of the product coming off. Being able to use this one piece of equipment, cook 3 separate ingredients and come up with a complete dish at the end of it in a short amount of time.
Hola, yo soy Alejandra Santos, vengo de la Ciudad de México y mi platillo a presentar fue un chile en nogada. Lo hice completamente en el Miracle Steamer. Cada proceso fue hecho ahí. Es un plato que combina lo salado y lo dulce junto con una salsa llamada nogada hecha con leche evaporada y leche condensada que aporta mucho sabor al platillo. La ventaja de poder utilizar el equipo es que optimizamos tiempos, la calidad del producto es mejor y evitamos usar grasas, ya que al hacerlo al vapor la carne conserva mejor sus sabores y se reduce menos incluso, y los sabores que aportamos se potencializan de una mejor manera.
My name's Chef Chris. I live down in Texas. I cover the Texas-Oklahoma territory for Antunes. I'm doing a s'mores-style bread pudding with a meringue on top in lieu of a marshmallow, and I'm going to be doing the meringue in the DFW steamer and then doing the bread pudding in the egg station. My favorite thing about the egg station is going to be the dual cooking. So not only are we using the griddle to add a little bit of sear, but we're using the water reservoir to add steam to the cavity. And it almost slightly pressurizes it, giving you an even quicker cook time.